One of the most useful features of SheepBytes is the ability to send a SheepByte ration to someone else for comment or review. This can be done from the rations list. So we'll return to the rations list by clicking here. We want to stay on this page, and we're now at the rations list. So if I want to send, for example, the first ration here to somebody else, perhaps one of my feed industry people, or my veterinarian, I just click on that ration, and then I click on email ration report. So the recipient has to be somebody that's got a valid email address. I can also enter comments here. So we've got a valid email address, we've got some comments, and all we then have to do is click on the send button. We get the message back to know that the sending is complete. Rations sent to the recipients, okay. And then we bounce back to the ration list. Now the other thing we can do is send a complete ration file. This button here, send ration file, we'll be able to send the ration to a registered SheepBytes user, and that user can then modify that ration and send it back to us. So let's send that ration now as a SheepBytes file. Again, we have to have a valid email for a recipient. In this case, we'll say, please modify this ration and return to me. You can see we've got quite a bit of space there for any text that we want to have. With this key button here, we can also add multiple recipients. So you might want to send it to several people with a drop down there, adding a recipient. In this case, we'll just send it to the one email address. We'll send. In this case, it identifies the person who you've sent that ration to. You say, okay, it's done, and we're back to the ration list. So that's how you can involve your customers, clients, your advisors in your SheepBytes work.